Want to start your own YouTube channel, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step.
First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in using your Google account. Then, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Now click Create Channel. Enter a unique and memorable channel name, then click the Create button to launch your YouTube channel. Upload a profile picture or logo that represents your brand. A clear and professional logo helps viewers recognize your channel instantly. Now create a professional channel banner. A great banner tells visitors what your channel is about and makes a strong first impression.
Write a short channel description. Clearly explain your content and use important keywords. Help viewers and YouTube find you.
Verify your channel using your phone number. This unlocks important YouTube features, such as custom thumbnails, longer uploads, and live streaming. Click the Create button. Choose Upload Videos and select your video file. Wait for the upload and processing to finish. Add a clear title. Write a helpful description. Upload an attractive thumbnail. Choose your audience. Add the video to a playlist. Everything is ready. Click the Publish button, and congratulations! Your first YouTube video is now live for the world to watch. Keep uploading videos consistently and improve with every upload. The more value you provide, the more views, subscribers, and growth your YouTube channel can achieve over time. Congratulations! You now know how to create your own YouTube channel. Start creating today, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.